Today I'm going to talk to you about the truth about CoQ10, why some people feel amazing and others don't. I want to cover two main things today. And the biggest mistake people make is not dosage. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you why. And then number two is I want to compare two types of CoQ10 and who each one is for. Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Snow. I'm a functional medicine chiropractor, and every week I help people get to the root cause of their problems, not just cover up their symptoms, and get to the why. And one of the biggest problems that I hear in practice is, Dr. Snow, I'm tired all the time. And yes, there can be many reasons why we are tired. Most people think it's just because they don't have enough sleep, maybe they need more stimulants, need more caffeine, or maybe just willpower. But it can be much deeper than any of these things. This fatigue can actually be at the cellular level. And that's one thing that we have to understand, is that we need good, healthy, consistent cellular energy for our organs to work right, our cells to work right, our body to work right, and just to have that energy that we're all looking for. And we really only need a basic understanding of the cell. We have our cell, everything in our body is made up from a cell. And inside the cell, you have something called your mitochondria. And your mitochondria make something called ATP. And ATP is what's going to produce the energy for your cells and help you create overall energy. And the key thing is that your mitochondria need something called coenzyme Q10. And without the coenzyme Q10, your mitochondria cannot make this ATP, and you're going to suffer from energy. And so one of the biggest myths that people believe about CoQ10 is that more CoQ10 equals better results. And this is where most people go wrong. And the truth about coenzyme Q10 is that it is all about absorption. Absorption matters if you want to be able to get it into the cell, into the mitochondria, and produce this energy. And one thing that really helps to understand is your cells are really much like a battery. And when we do not get the proper nutrition like coenzyme Q10 into these cells, into our cellular batteries, we do not have a full charge. And so we feel fatigued. And when we're able to take the right CoQ10, get it into the cell, feed the mitochondria, we can have a full charge on our cells and have that energy that we're looking for. So there's two things that I think of clinically as a practitioner when I'm evaluating supplements and things that I know are critical to get results with proper supplementation. And number one is going to be synergy. It's very important that certain nutrients and certain products like coenzyme Q10 have the right cofactors to drive that into the body and get the results. So when I'm deciding on which coenzyme Q10 product to use, many times to get the absorption, I'm thinking about synergy. And then number two is really essential, and that is the form. There are very poorly absorbed forms of things like magnesium, vitamin C, and yes, CoQ10. And there are optimal, more bioavailable forms of coenzyme Q10. So to get the absorption, we're going to think about synergy, and then we're also going to think about form. And so things that I see in my clinic that make me think about coenzyme Q10 supplementation and decide to put a patient on coenzyme Q10 is, number one, if anybody is on a statin. If you are on a statin, you must be on coenzyme Q10. It is proven that the statins will actually cause a lower level of coenzyme Q10 in the blood and the serum. So if you are on a statin, you should be on a coenzyme Q10 product. And this can lead to not just cellular energy problems, but also muscle problems. And so that's going to trigger me to decide to put coenzyme Q10 into their protocol. And if you're over 50 and you're just looking for more support, anti-aging support, more energy, or if you're suffering from energy problems, we should go ahead and put that CoQ10 into your supplement stack or your protocol. And just anybody with fatigue. And so this could be a young kid, this could be a teenager, an adult, an older person, anybody suffering with fatigue problems, we need to consider coenzyme Q10 to help get that cell to produce this ATP. And I have something in my mind that I call the snow test. I have two different people here. And the first one is going to be age group that fits this. It's just anybody, but that is anybody of any age that is going through burnout and they have brain fog and fatigue, going to think about CoQ10. And the main one that I use for just chronic fatigue, burnout, brain fatigue, any age patient is going to be from a company called Standard Process. And they make a product that has CoQ10 in it. It has B vitamins and botanical synergist. And this product is called B Vitality with CoQ10. That's gonna be one of my #1 go-tos just to produce energy and to get that coenzyme Q10 level up in the body. And then the second person that I'm going to consider with support for CoQ10 is going to be the 50+ age person that has any type of cardiovascular issues. If you've had cardiovascular event, metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, cholesterol problems, I'm going to be thinking, hey, let's go ahead and get some coenzyme Q10 into the protocol. And I'm going to be thinking a product from a company called Premier Research. They have a CoQ10 that is actually called ubiquinol. It has a really high absorption rate. And I'm going to use that ubiquinol just to drive that CoQ10 up as fast as I can. And that is going to be a good consideration for that particular CoQ10. And you just have to remember, what am I trying to accomplish with the CoQ10? Am I trying to get my serum levels up because I'm on a statin? Is it a heart issue? Is it a cardiovascular problem? Or am I just looking for energy to accomplish the goal? And so I'm going to think more of a synergistic style of CoQ10. So we have those extra cofactors that we need just to produce energy. And so the key takeaway that I want you to remember from this video is we're not trying to chase dosages. We're trying to chase results. And so we got to consider synergy and we got to consider form. Hope this video helped, and leave anything in the comments if you've tried coenzyme Q10, what your results have been, and we'll get back with you. I'm Dr. Eric Snow. See you on the next video.